How to transfer money from crypto.com to bank account. Start by opening the app and ensuring that you have funds in your Fiat wallet. Example, Euro, USD, etc. First, go to Accounts and check your Fiat wallet balance. If necessary, sell some cryptocurrency, like Kronos, to increase your Fiat balance. Once you have the funds, go to the home screen, tap the 3 lines in the top left, and select your Fiat wallet. Then tap Transfer, followed by Withdraw. Choose your Fiat currency, example Euro, and check the withdrawal limits, such as the minimum withdrawal amount, example 80 euros. If your balance is below this limit, deposit the necessary amount to meet the minimum. After meeting the limit, select Withdraw. Choose your bank account, which must be linked to crypto.com via a prior deposit, and enter the amount to withdraw. Confirm the transfer, and the money will be processed. You'll receive an email once your withdrawal is approved. The withdrawal can take minutes, but it may take 1 to 3 days for a manual review on your first withdrawal. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.